This week's boiler tip, we're going to talk about leaking bottom blowdown valves. Blowing down the bottom of the boilers is an important daily or weekly task, depending on whether you've got a high or low pressure boiler, but it's also important that that valve close when we're finished. If we've got a leaking blowdown valve, we'll have chronic low chemical levels, low conductivity in the boiler, because basically we're going to be constantly losing water from the boiler. So an easy way to check that is to use a temperature gun. So on some occasion, when you're going to do your blowdown testing or your bottom blowdowns, just take a quick reading of the temperature on the outlet before you blow down the boiler. And if that's, 212 degrees, obviously we've got leakage through that valve. In a quiet room, you might hear that, but in a boiler room, that's a great tool to tell if that's leaking through.